Good morning guys, welcome to another vlog. Today I'm going on a 4-day pattern. तो मैं आपको अपनी लेओवर लाइफ दिखाने वाली हूँ कि लेओवर्स पे हम क्या करते हैं. तो आज मैं जा रही हूँ चेन्नई, वो भी एज अ पैसेंजर. आई डोंट हैव टू ऑपरेट अ फ्लाइट. और चेन्नई जाके पूरा दिन खाली है, कुछ नहीं है मेरे पास करने के लिए. फिर नेक्स्ट डे आई एम ऑपरेटिंग.
Strawberry on my lips and sugar fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan line. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Rose color on my cheeks, yeah. I feel so on fleek. Forget who we are. Let's dance until dawn. Music on repeat. You can beat this feeling. Let's keep this going on and on. Crack open models on and on and on and on and caught up in the moment. Feels just like I'm dreaming. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Hey, 'cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah.
So it's time to get ready for my flight now. I have 3 sectors today: Chennai, Delhi, Delhi, Jammu, and Jammu, Delhi. And then I have a layover in Delhi. I have to leave the hotel at 11:30 and I'll get free in the night at around 9. So I'm not gonna vlog all 4 days because it's gonna be very long. So this was my layover. In some layovers we go out, we party, we explore, but in this particular layover I just stayed in the hotel because I've already explored Chennai and I just wanted to relax and sleep. So I didn't go out. And yeah, that's it for this video. If you want to see another layover vlog, I will put the link in the description below and you can watch my Coimbatore vlog. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. See you next time with another vlog. Bye bye.